To news north of our border, where Zimbabwe's government has been dragged to court by human rights lawyers over the rehabilitation and welfare of mentally challenged prisoners. In an application filed in the Harare High Court, Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights says government there has failed to release funds to prison services officials. The group says this money should be used to fund proper rehabilitation centres for those who are incarcerated and help their families find them. eNCA correspondent Pindai Dube reports.
Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights says mentally challenged prisoners are convicted, locked up in prisons and forgotten. The group says these prisoners are imprisoned for long and don't get released to relatives or rehabilitation centers. In their court papers, the Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights want the Zimbabwe Justice and Finance Ministries to release funds to deal with this matter.
A number of them, they are now due for release, but they are not being released. Some of the mental health patients who are also there, you will find out that they are being given generic drugs. It's a uniform drug for everyone who's got mental health, despite that they suffer from the different levels or different degrees of mental health. Take care of them in their various degrees rather than just lumping them inside prison and giving them a generic drug that does not take care of their needs. It will not assist those prisoners. It's a violation of different constitutional rights.
A top human rights lawyer also says issues around mentally challenged prisoners has reached critical levels and need urgent solutions.
The solution is that the state must be ordered to provide proper facilities for those people to be looked after and to provide the necessary medical personnel to deal with those issues. And of course the courts to also expedite their cases.
Zimbabwe's prisons have a capacity of around 17,000 prisoners. Pindai Dube, Harare.